If you're running Facebook ads and the people messaging you are people that can't afford your product or services, it is your fault. And I'll give you a few reasons why. Number one, anybody can message you. You do not qualify leads. So whether the person is a serious buyer or somebody looking to chit chat or somebody who wants to find out for fun or comparison can just wake up and then message you about your product or services. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to qualify every single lead, and you can do that by asking a few questions. Oh, are you ready to buy now? What is your budget? How long have you been in this line of business? That would help you to filter every single person that is reaching out to you. Number two, you're only talking to broke people. For example, if you sell an ad course and then you're saying, oh, if you're broke, if you need to make money right now, if you have no capital to start a business and you want to start from zero naira, and reach out to me, that is you asking broke people to pay you money for a course. Where is somebody who is broke supposed to pay you? Somebody who has no capital for business, where are they supposed to get money to pay you for that course? So you see, you will have a lot of people messaging you, but nobody is truly buying from you. So you're getting messages and making no sales. Number three, you're hiding your price. This is very common with those who post on their WhatsApp status and everything, and then you hide your price in your ad. So when you hide your price, you will have everybody in curious mode. They will come to your DM and ask you of the price, and so when they cannot afford it, they leave. So if you found these 3 tips helpful, leave me a comment and hit the follow button, because I'll be sharing more and more insight as the day goes by. See you in the next one.